Welcome to Taz's pre-market trading desk summary for today, May 13th, 2025. It's a day full of opportunity, but also one where caution is needed. Let's dive into the action. First off, the stock market is showing signs of uncertainty. US stock futures are down, with the Dow off by 0.41%, the S&P 500 down by 0.25%, and the Nasdaq trailing at a 0.25% decline. The key reason? Investors are holding their breath ahead of the April CPI report. The inflation numbers today will likely decide whether the Fed continues to lean towards rate cuts or if they'll hold back due to rising inflation concerns. So let's keep an eye on that. And now, onto the top stocks I'm eyeing today. These picks stand out based on pre-market volume, volatility, and overall trade setup. Let's get into it. First up is Coinbase Global Inc. CoinSO. The stock is showing a significant move in the pre-market with a solid 9.6% jump after the announcement that it will join the S&P 500 later this month. The stock is up to $207.22, just a touch below its pre-market high of $226.80. The key levels here are the 15-minute VWAP around $209.49 and the 8 EMA coming in at $207.29. With this volatility, it could be a strong long or short play depending on the reaction to the CPI data today. Next, we've got Mara Holdings Inc. Mara. This one's been swinging with a 1.3% change on low pre-market volume, but a solid setup. It's trading around 15.95s, holding above the 8 EMA and sitting just above the VWAP at $16.07. The volatility is there, and we might see some action depending on how the broader market reacts. It's worth watching for a breakout or breakdown as the day unfolds. Sea Limited, SE, is another one to watch, currently down from a pre-market high of $159 to $142.45. Despite the drop, we're seeing solid volume, around 300,000 shares in the pre-market. The stock is in the retail sector, and with the market's focus on inflation and interest rates, it could make for an interesting play, especially if we see any reversal after the CPI numbers are released. Up next is Palantir Technologies Inc., PLTR. While the stock is down a little today, with a pre-market change of no 6%, it's holding steady at $118.40. The key level here is $170.70 for the 15-minute VWAP, and the stock has been consistently staying above its moving averages. Given the volatility around the bond market and treasury yields, this one could show some strength or weakness based on how the overall market sentiment shifts. Lastly, Tesla is moving up strong pre-market with a 6.75% gain, following the news about a potential trade deal and reduced tariffs. The stock is now hovering around the $800 mark, and the key here will be whether the inflation data pushes Tesla higher or gives us a sharp pullback. Given its high volatility, there's potential here for big moves in either direction today. Alright, there you have it. My top 5 picks to keep your eye on today. The market is shaping up to be a volatile one, with inflation data taking center stage. Whatever happens, keep your trading disciplined, stay patient, and remember, plan your trades and trade your plan. Let's make today count. Happy trading.